All right, so what up? We back in my room, so you guys can get a look. This is what my room looks like. We're getting ready for day 2, Bachelor Party. Yesterday, we were exhausted. Did Angel's Landing, about 8-ish miles for me and Andy going up to the top. It was tough, guys. No joke, legs are sore. I'm exhausted right now, really tired, but we're about to hit the grotto. Pretty excited about it. We're going to do the lower one, try to do some shopping, try to just relax and just have a good time doing some BS, talking to each other, and you know, just enjoying the scenery. Hopefully today I'll record a little bit more and get you guys along for the ride. Catch you in a little bit. All right. Day 2, Zion. Walking through the visitor center. Turning it. There we go. All right. So we're gonna go shopping, get some stuff for the kids, I guess, and the wife, and whatever else people want to buy. Today we're hitting up Emerald Pools.
It sounds like Emerald Pools it is.
Emerald Pools it is. So we're hoping it's a little bit better. Most of us are tired. We're some weak ass punk bitches, to be honest. We might have been crying a little bit last night. We all passed out pretty early, had burgers for dinner, made breakfast this morning, got up and had a nice leisurely get up. It's like 11 o'clock right now. So shuttle's gonna be up at 12. We'll go shopping right here next to Zion Outfitters, see what we can get the kids, and check in with you guys in a little bit. Yeah. Peace.
Thank you for your service.
So, yeah, at this point right now, we'd like to thank Andy and Garland for their service, for getting us discounts on these $35 to $45 gloves. So, thanks again for your service. It also got us free parking. So, if you're a vet, go ahead, make sure you go visit your state parks. They should take care of you. National parks. He's right. Yeah, because the state don't give a fuck about you guys. Sorry. But we do. Support your vets. Take care of those guys. They took care of us. They fought for our country. They served our country. We should take care of them. All right, here we go. Day 2, Emerald Pools Trail Horse Corral. Now, I got a couple horses with me. More like some packing mules.
I might have half a horsepower.
So it's a little cold. What is it, like 40 something degrees?
Is it? Yeah.
It's probably like 45 degrees.
Oh, I got it.
So, you think it's lower? I don't know. It's in the 40s.
Start your watch, Garland.
It was snowing a second ago.
We had a little light flurries a second ago, so we'll see how this goes. I think we're all, like we said, we're still sore, but hopefully we'll warm up a little bit and have some fun times. I'm sure there'll be lots of breaks.
Give it a go.
Give it another go later. All right, so the beginning of this trail sucked. It was basically straight uphill grade. I don't know, within 100 meters?
Something like that.
If that. So it was really rough. Took a lot out of us. There's 4 of us right now. The other 2 fucking tryhards, they're ahead somewhere. If they fell off, sorry.
Vulture.
You're finally gonna have a better life. And we'll see how that works out. But a little gas. A couple little hills now, which are doable. So for those who like to see people in pain, you're welcome.
I've got you now, bro.
Say what up. What's up?
So what's up?
Hey, so we made it to the top of the middle emerald?
No, this is upper.
Upper emerald pool. I will turn the camera around. You can see what it looks like. Yeah, they turned off all the jacuzzis. Beautiful view. way up there. Turn you guys back around. So, pretty cool. Wasn't too bad. It was all right. A lot of rocks. Steep and grade in the very beginning. Real nice in the middle. You get to like the plateau where I took a photosphere, then a lot of rocks afterwards. So I would say it's a semi-good moderate trail. Definitely easier than Angel's Landing. A lot easier, just a lot easier. Pretty quiet on a Sunday, so having a great time. I know I keep looking at the camera lens. I should really wear some sunglasses. Actually, I'm gonna look at the screen. I need to look at the lens. But all in all, great trip so far. Peace.
I'm doing double the mileage.
Yeah,
what up?
Short legs. What's happening?
Fireman carry.
So Andy's over here trying to convince everybody.
Yes, let's do it.
Right here,
Let's do
Andy.
it.
And I'm
So
actually down.
Robert says
I'm down.
yes.
Here too. Let's
All
go.
right,
let's
so
do
that's
it.
4 versus 2.
Ivan even said he's ready to.
Ivan says he's ready.
Hey, you got the oldest and the shortest.
So we're
Exactly right. And we're down.
so we're going to Grotto. So the complaint is that we just did about a mile going up. Did the medium or the low, the middle grotto, or no, middle emerald pool.
Upper.
Then we did the upper emerald pool. Came back down to what we actually found out was the real emerald pool. Then we went down to the lower emerald pool, which we're at now. Hello.
They're mad because we came down 0.2 miles.
A little water.
Oh, yeah, let's go check it out.
A little bit more water. So we came down 0.2 miles to go to the lower emerald pool, but now we gotta go back up 0.9 miles
Show them the path.
to go to the grotto.
We're taking the Great Wall.
That's what we just went down.
It's just a great step. Let's go.
He says, let's go. Let's do this shit.
Where?
Dude, show him how to do it. Hey, show him how to do it, Andy. Do that. Yeah. Yeah.
He said, go where?
All right. We'll catch you a little bit. All right, so we made it to the end of Riverside Rock. The beginning of the Narrows is that way. We canceled our gear rental. I got all these people talking behind me, so let me scoot out of the way. So, worked out. Good little walk. It wasn't too bad. It's mostly paved. One shut down section, you go around, then you end up in the rocks. Had to cancel the gear rental due to flash floods from all the rain and all the snow. So, unfortunately, not gonna be doing that. I really wanted to do that this trip. It was actually my goal for this trip. But instead, we just kind of hit everything else we could. I think we've actually hit every trail. On the way back, we'll hit our last trail, and I will have done every trail that's open. So, good accomplishment for me. Really proud. Exhausted, but having a lot of fun. The guys are exhausted. Overall, best gift I can have. I want to thank Garland for getting this all together. Thank everybody who was able to make it out. Those who weren't making it out, you guys missed out. Love you guys anyways. I'll catch you guys soon. See you at my wedding.